Problem number 20 here, right? What will be the HCF of, right? It will be the HCF of 216, 288 and 720, right? You know what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. There are two ways you can find the HCF. One is prime factorization method. Second one is division method. Okay, division method. Let us go with the division method. Now we need to find the HCF for 216, 288 and 720. Let us find the HCF for these two numbers, that is 216 and 288. Okay, what you need to do? We are supposed to divide 288 by 216. 216 ones are correct. 216. Now subtract it. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Now from 72 you are supposed to divide 216. 72. 3 is 7 3 is how much? What happens? 73 is 210, right? 3 is okay. 3 2 is 6. 7 3 is 21, right? 0. It is completely divided. So that's what the HCF for HCF of 216 and 288 is 72. Now what we need to do? We are supposed to find the HCF for this 72 and 720. Now divide, that is 720, that divided by 72. 72 tens are correct. 720, it is divisible completely, right? So that's what the HCF for 216, 288 and 720 is what? 72. The answer here is 72.